best learning campus, the perfect place for you. It's UM, the only one. The only one.
Welcome to Universitas Negeri Malang, also known as the Learning University. Located in the heart of Malang City, this campus offers a comfortable and supportive environment for academic activities. It is also located at Jalan Semarang Nomor 5 and serves as a home to thousands of students from across the country. One of the main landmarks of UM is the Gedung Kuliah Bersama, or commonly known as GKB. This building is the hub of lectures for many faculties. This building is located on the north side of Rectorate Building. It has 9 floors. On the first floor, there are lobby, receptionist area, and structural laboratory. There is also water refill machine. Using this machine, we don't have to buy plastic bottled water anymore. You only need to bring your own tumbler and fill it with water. On the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh floors there are classrooms. The classrooms here are classified as smart learning classrooms. We just need a card to activate the electronic device inside the class, such as the lamp, air conditioner, and projector screen. On every outnumbered floor, there is a prayer room that is musola, and a wudu or ablution area.
On the 8th floor, there is a facility called SAC, which stands for Self-Access Center. In SAC, we can learn 5 languages, such as Chinese, Germany, Indonesian, Arabic, and the last is English. Now, let's enter the English Self-Access Center at Universitas Negeri Malang. First, we need to place our bags in the locker. We are also prohibited from bringing food, drinks, and similar items. Next, we proceed to the receptionist and check in using a barcode. is the English Self-Access Center. There are 3 rooms in ESAC. First, you will immediately find the largest room in the center. Here, you will find many books waiting for you to read. Of course, the books are in English. The next is speaking room. The third is reading room. Here, we are not allowed to make noise. There are many comfortable seats for reading. This room also has several books on TOEFL and IELTS practice exercises. You can broaden your knowledge by reading these books.
And the last but not the least, food court. We can find a food court on the 3rd floor of this building. There are various kinds of food and beverage available. Here, all the payments are cashless. So, if you wanted to buy food or beverage, make sure to prepare your e-wallet.